This is Ramesh Krishna for the channel Pivot Points with RK. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing about how to become a successful trader by trading Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what happens when we are trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty? They're very lucrative. We're all tempted to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty to make a lot of money because we have watched enough number of videos in YouTube, and we have seen a lot of successful traders who have shown us some balance sheet saying that they have made some big money, that money, this money. And also we have seen a lot of people who lost big money. We need to understand what is the logic behind this successful trader and unsuccessful trader. So even I myself tried many years. I've been trading quite a lot of time, and I also lost a lot of money during my previous years. And very recently, I have started making money because of the only thing, and the only reason is that because of my patience and my skill, which I am developing myself by seeing a lot of other, by studying books, by seeing videos, and by seeing a lot of YouTube videos and all that. See, to become successful trader in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's not just the strategy which is going to get us the money. Mainly holding on to the strategy and staying in the trade without getting any fear or without getting any excitement. These are few things that we always need to be a successful trader. See, before taking any trade, we should be very clearly aware that what is what is the trend, where the stock is, where the index is moving today. Is it expected to move upward or downward, or is it going to stay sideways? But of course, it's very difficult to know in the live market that whether it's really moving faster or moving slow. It's highly difficult. Even I'm aware of it. Because of that, even I have lost a lot of money. But what is required is that we just have to wait patiently until it comes to our marked resistance or support, wherever we have marked resistance and support. So we just have to wait until the index or stock, whatever we are trading on the commodity, whatever option we are trading it, we should wait until it comes to certain levels. Only then we have to take the trade. See, holding on to strategy is most important, and also waiting patiently, that is utmost important. And we have to stop over trading. At least in a day, we just have to trade 2 to 3, or depending on your capacity, 4 to 5 trades. That's more than enough. We should not be trading heavily. We should not be trading every candle, because every candle is tempting. When we see a big red candle, we just start taking a put option. When we see a big green candle, immediately we try to take a call option, expecting the market to move. But end of the day, we start losing the money. So in this trading, we need at most skill is that patience. We should have tremendous patience, and we should be a very good observer. We should be observing the market, how is it behaving, and we should be prepared to take minimum risk. The risk is most important. Every trade is a risky trade. You know why? Because after we are getting into the trade, it's very difficult to say whether the market moves up or down or it stays in the sideways. So it's very easy to analyze on the past chart, but it's very difficult to observe in the live market. Why? Because we are all eager and excited to see my option, my whatever trade, my trade should be in my direction, but it may not happen. Thinking something, analyzing something, and I take a trade. If it doesn't move in my direction, I should have a proper stop loss and get out of the trade. This is the most important. So we should, every trade is a risky trade. Every trade would have certain risk. Based on this risk, we have to take certain profit. We are expecting some profit, and we have to get out of the trade immediately once we achieve our profit. So these are a couple of things very important. Many times, what happens, we become very excited to see a lot of big profits by looking at others, how are they making profit, the kind of screenshots what they share, carried away by seeing those screenshots. So generally, let us stop. I mean, we can see those screenshots, but let's not get excited by those screenshots, because we should analyze what is my capital and what is my risk appetite, how much I can lose every day. And by losing this much, I should not be worried too much. That is the kind of money I should be losing. This is my expectation. So accordingly, we should take the trade. See, every trade, as I've been telling you, every trade is a risky trade. There is certain risk involved in every trade, because after I taking a trade, I don't know where it moves. It may move in my direction or it may move against my direction. Because of that, we should be prepared to take certain risks. We should be prepared to take stop loss. The stop loss is most important. The moment I take a trade, we should have a stop loss, depending on the pattern, whether if you are trading with the candlestick pattern, if you are trading with the chart patterns, whatever patterns that you are trading, analyze it and think yourself how much risk that you can take. Accordingly, take that kind of a trade, that kind of a risk. Only then, even if you trade every day, 2 to 3 days, three trades every day, you may not be losing heavy money. So please look into that and trade accordingly. Develop patience. This is the main important thing. We just have to develop patience. We just have to be very patient in the market. We just have to wait the ticker to come to our marked level. If I am planning to take a trade at support, then I just have to wait the candlestick pattern to get formed at my support level, and I should see what is the kind of candlestick pattern which is giving me. Based on that, I should take my trade. If the support level is getting broken, or if its support level is getting supported and candlestick moves from there, based on the candlestick pattern, I should be able to take the trade. And accordingly, in case if my trade is going to be unsuccessful, I should be prepared to get out of the trade by taking a stop loss. Stop loss is most important. So this is how even I'm becoming a successful trader. This is how I started making money. See, in the future, I'll also start sharing a lot of my videos about how I'm taking my trade, based on what patterns that I'm taking trade, how I'm marking my support level and resistance level, and how I'm observing and how patiently that I'm observing on candlesticks pattern to be formed. Based on that, I'll take my trade, and I'll also share the videos in the future days. So please be connected with me, stay connected with me, subscribe my channel, and I'll share a lot of such videos about my successful journey in share market. That's what I've been telling you, because even I lost a lot of money in the past. Even currently also I'm losing, but my success rate is increasing. That's what I can tell you confidently. My success rate is increasing. Out of every 10 trades, I may be seeing 5 to 6 trades, which is generally, at least, I will be on the profit side. Out of 10 trades, if I lose all my 10 trades, then I'll be on the loser side. So out of my 10 trades, even if my trades are successful by 5, 6 to 7, which is 70%, 60 to 70%, is the successful rate. So in this trading journey, I'll share my experience with you all. Basically, how I'm trading, how I used to trade earlier, and all this. See, generally, I used to trade haphazardly, based on some tips, based on some candle patterns which somebody else was suggesting. Of course, we need all this in the beginning. We need to learn. We need to give more importance in learning. So that's how it helps us. We have to trade. See, in the beginning, what happens, we all get tempted by this screenshots of others, seeing that people accordingly we bring in money and invest in brokers, and we start trading, we start taking tips, we start trading, and sometimes we see a lot of good profits, and immediately we see downfall and all that.